Hey Tigers, we're back on the lakes. Last week you saw us launch and land canoes from a dock and talk about what to do before you take a trip out on the water. Caitlin's back again this week and she's going to take us through some new and exciting content for adventure this week.
Hey everyone, so this week we'll be talking about some of the differences between canoes and kayaks. We'll also be talking about how to launch both of those from a ramp, and we'll cover some etiquette when using public spaces.
Kayaks are smaller, sleeker, and lower to the water. They're designed for speed. Canoes tend to be larger and often heavier than kayaks. They feature a wide frame and open top and are generally designed to carry multiple passengers and gear. Regardless of which type of boat you choose, it is important to know paddling techniques and rescue techniques before getting out on the water. When using a boat ramp or a dock, be sure to be courteous of other users. Try to keep your items off to one side and be as quick as possible when loading and unloading. When launching a canoe from the boat ramp, stabilize the boat for the person getting into the front seat. Then carefully walk the boat further into the water before the second person gets in. Again, remind everyone to stay low, hold on to the sides, and walk directly in the center of the boat when moving towards their seat. Launching a kayak from the boat ramp should be fairly similar to launching a canoe. Try to get the boat as far into the water as possible, then have your child slowly walk towards their seat, staying low and holding onto the sides. You will need to stabilize the boat for them. When it's your turn to get in, walk the boat further into the water. Your feet may get wet, and you may have to do some scooting to get the boat off the ramp. Returning to the boat ramp should be a similar process. Remind your child to listen for your instructions and not to stand up or get out before you're ready.
So the key takeaways from today is knowing which boat is right for your adventure, how to load and unload that boat from a boat ramp, and key etiquette for using public spaces.
The adventure continues next week, so be sure you tune in, follow us and like us on social media, check out our website, and as always, remember, go Tigers!